This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make website UI animation. We will begin by exploring the core concepts of user interface animation within Adobe XD. You will learn how these animations enhance user experience and bring your designs to life. We'll cover essential principles like timing and easing, which are crucial for creating smooth and engaging transitions. This foundational knowledge will prepare you to build impressive interactive prototypes with ease. Next, we will dive into the prototyping mode to connect your artboards and establish interactive user flows. You will discover how to define triggers, such as taps or drags, and assign specific actions to them. We will explore different transition types available, paying special attention to the powerful auto-animate feature. This allows for seamless and dynamic movements between your design states, making your prototype feel incredibly responsive. Now, let's take a deeper look at mastering auto-animate to create truly sophisticated motion effects. You can precisely adjust various element properties, including their position, scale, rotation, and opacity, to achieve desired visual changes. We will also explore how to experiment with custom easing curves, allowing you to fine-tune the acceleration and deceleration of your animations. This level of control helps you craft unique and highly polished user interface experiences. Finally, we will cover how to preview your animations directly within Adobe XD to ensure everything looks perfect. You will learn the various options for exporting your interactive prototypes, making them ready for sharing with clients or team members. We will also discuss essential best practices for creating efficient and impactful user interface animations, ensuring your designs are both beautiful and performant. These tips will help you elevate your animation skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.